isipin ang mga harang sa atin at ang ihip ng hangin ay darating. Dahil titigil at ang lahat ay maglalaho. Dahil kailangan ka, kailangan pa kita natin tayo iba. At kahit pa hindi mapigil sa mundo, at sa umagang darating, lahat ay aking kakayanin. At kahit pa ikaw lang yan, kahit pa ikaw lang di ko man hawak ang panahon, maging ang ikot ng buhay. Basta't ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Dahil kailangan ka, kailangan pa kita natin tayo iba. At kahit pa hindi mapigil sa mundo.
Hi boss! Happy birthday sa'yo, and sana po you have more birthdays to come, and thank you for everything. Thank you for sharing us your music, your experiences every time, and thank you for inspiring us to go to the daycare every other Saturday. Sorry po ngayon kung hindi ako makakapunta, and I guess I will miss your birthday, but I will try my best to come back. It's just something I need to do. And ano pa ba? And sorry po kung masyado kayo makulit. Minsan, saka po yung time na weirded out kayo nung tinawag namin kayong daddy. Especially ako, tinawag kitang daddy. And it's just that para kang father sa amin. So, well, sa akin, para kang father sa akin kasi lagi mo kami kinakamusta, and you know, yung kahit hindi po tayo masyadong close, yung andun kayo, so parang daddy kayo talaga. Tapos yung the way you treat Rez and Luigi po, so yun, so I decided to call you daddy. So sorry po kung weird yun para sa'yo, and I try my best not to be too wild during gigs or anything. Just basta po, thank you for everything, and happy birthday. Boom baby.
Dahil kailangan ka, kailangan pa